Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of homeschooling stuff like lessons, materials, and sometimes unboxing and reviews. So, this is the Kidzlabs crystal mining set, and we are using this for our unit study about rocks, minerals, and gems. So, we will open this and I'll show you what it contains, and then later on, Isaac will do this, and then we will show you what we found. Let's open it. So this is where the crystals are buried, and then here are the tools. These are just the basic tools that are usually included in these kinds of sets, and here is where you can put your gems. Let's open this back. It's actually very nice. So these are the basic tools that are usually included in a set like this. And then we have a magnifying glass. And then these are for the gems, for the crystals. And there's also a pouch there. There's a pouch for the crystals so that you can keep them. I know my son will keep them as treasures. So we will open this up and then we will dig through it and look for the crystals. See you later. Hey guys, we're back. So we got 9 crystals. It's weird because on the box it says that there are only 8 crystals, but we got 9 crystals. I was actually wondering why they would put 9 boxes here when there were only 8. So here are the crystals that we got. We don't know exactly what they are yet. We are going to find out after this video. But I just want to share with you. Oh, let's turn on the light. There. Whoa! This is probably amethyst, my birthstone. Yeah, look at that.
This one it looks like it's crystal clear, but this one, this one looks.
Is clear. That's a clear one.
This is a crystal clear one. I can
This
see.
is pink. So I opened this. So this is an extra review. I opened this Basher Science here. Rocks and minerals set of flashcards, but then I was so disappointed. I bought this a long time ago. Isaac, look at that. They're all cartoonish, so that does nothing for us, especially if you're doing a Montessori type of learning in your homeschool. This is not a good set of flashcards. Look at that pyrite. That does nothing for me. I was expecting that it will have the an actual picture like this one, but it doesn't. So I'm very disappointed. So I think I'm just going to use this for the information on the back. So there, that's an extra bonus review for you guys. And then this book, by the way, if you're wondering, this is the Wonders of Learning Discovery Geology. So this is a series of STEM books.
Stems.
Oh, our crystal looks a bit like that. We grew a crystal we started 3 weeks ago, and we finally got it we opened it I think Monday this week. So anyway, that's it, you guys. Oh, okay, so Isaac wants to show you. There's our crystal. There, it looks similar to that one. And we bought another crystal growing set that we will review in another video. So what are my final thoughts on the Kidzlabs crystal mining set? Well, this one, the brick where all of the crystals are hidden, it's very hard to cut apart, even though we've poured a lot of water on it already. Because if you don't pour water on it, it will take you weeks digging through all of those crystals. So this was harder than other sets that we've done in the past. And then of course, don't pour the sand the into the powder in your drain, because it will clog your drain. So we just throw it in the trash bin. And then, but I think overall this is a good set, and it's quite affordable. It's alright, I think, for 199.75, for 150 for a box. I'm not sure. I can't remember. And you get 9 crystals, and you get this one. It's a display set, so you can just cover the crystals, and then you put the name, the date, and then there's also a magnifying glass that came with it. I think you've already seen that there. So that's it, you guys. We like this Kidzlabs crystal mining set, and I recommend it if you're homeschooling, or if you're just looking for activities to keep your kids busy during this pandemic. If you want more videos like these, and if you want to learn more about homeschooling, everything about homeschooling, please subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye.